getting in the key. Oh, let me find the key. Oh. No, nothing happened.
Yeah, got it. I'll be there in 30 minutes.
Every big idea starts with a question, a problem that needs to be solved, a passion to invent something new. We believe that through innovation and creativity, big ideas come to life. Introducing the BigRep 1, a revolution in large-scale 3D printing. The One's award-winning design is rooted in uncompromising German engineering. Built with a capacity of over 1 cubic meter, the BigRep 1 has the largest FDM build volume on the market. With the BigRep 1, there's no need to scale down your original designs. Print objects quickly, reliably, and consistently. The open build design ensures that the user has the best possible view for monitoring quality from all angles. The 2 modular print heads allow for top flexibility when printing in 2 colors or with support materials. Their independent movement ensures a clean print result while changing between filaments. The print heads can be equipped with either 0.5, 1, or 2 millimeter nozzles. The 2 millimeter nozzle slashes build time. Whether you're producing a series of objects or designing a single product, large-scale prints now build faster. An integrated control unit and touch panel allow you to monitor print time, change the speed, or even adjust the temperature of the print bed, all while the print is in progress. Ideate, design, print. Here at BigRep, we're making big ideas a reality for everyone. What is your next big idea?
What if 20 minutes of low-intensity training could produce the same results as a 1-hour workout? With the Balanx EMS system, training is quick, easy, and highly effective. EMS stands for Electrical Muscle Stimulation, an advanced technology that has previously only been available at expensive training facilities. At Balanx, we created the first personal EMS system. With anaerobic exercise, the EMS sends impulses throughout the body, targeting specific muscle groups and causing them to contract at a certain frequency. Then a movement against that stimulation intensifies muscle growth. With aerobic exercise, the EMS strengthens the signal of the nervous system, causing the brain to sense muscle movement 3 to 5 times more intense. This technology allows anyone to fit a quick and effective workout into a busy schedule. Simply attach a power device. Choose your training mode in the app and select the parameter. During training, users are guided by videos in the app or just by feeling the impulse strength adjust. Users can follow the changes to know when to start, maintain, and finish movements. The Balanx EMS quickly burns fat, builds muscle, and improves endurance, speed, and coordination, helping you reach your fitness goals. Carefully crafted using middle frequency carrier wave technology, it is the world's safest portable EMS and gentle enough for senior therapy. The EMS can output 10 channels of electrical impulses independently, maximizing the number of muscle groups it can train at once, all while remaining small and lightweight. By making this technology available at a consumer level, we believe that Balanx EMS can change the way people train all over the world.